Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, Basement Waterproofing Ninja. I want to share with you, if you're thinking about having Basement Waterproofing Ninja waterproof your basement, I want to show you a little bit of a difference between our products that we install versus a competitor product. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basement waterproofing, attic insulation, air sealing, indoor air quality, things like that. So if all those things are important to you, I suggest you subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. So recently we got called out to a home. One of our competitors installed a basement waterproofing product. It didn't do the job. Okay, it could have been the installation, it could have been the product, but one of the things I want to show you is some of the key differences in what a lot of basement waterproofers out there are using versus what we are using. Okay, so this is one of our competitors' products. If you take a look at this product, basically the concrete is designed to go about that thick. Okay, I don't know if you know this, but you should pour back concrete a minimum of 3 to 4 inches, or it could create problems in settling and cracking and allow humidity and moisture and all these things. As a matter of fact, when we took this product out of the basement that we did for our customer, we just busted up the concrete with a hammer, with a claw hammer. Okay, that's how easy it was to remove the concrete from this product. And just because there's this much room for concrete, what we find is they will actually take this piece of equipment, this material, and put it really high so that it's a really what we call a thin set piece of concrete. The higher they get this up, the less material that they have to pour back, and the easier, the less time they're on the job, the more money they make, right? So just keep that in mind whenever you're comparing Basement Waterproofing Ninja's products and services to competition. The other thing about this product is it only has the ability for the water to enter in these areas, and since this sits flush up against the wall, it will capture water here of the wall and the cove, but normally it doesn't give it the ability to come under. So any water that's under the slab or coming from the footer up to the slab, it has a hard time making its way back this direction. Imagine water's flowing and then it's got to go into this hole here and then make its way to the sump pump, okay? Versus our product, and actually before I put that down, I want to show you the difference. So this is our form versus their form. Do you see how much more room that we have to pour concrete back over our waterproofing product? We're going deeper down into the floor, deeper so that we can capture more water as it percolates up, but also we're giving this a more true slab pour back. I don't know if you know this, but concrete is expensive. All building materials, all these things are going up in price. So if we're having to pour back more concrete than our competitor, we're obviously going to cost more money, but it's a better installed product. This also gives us the ability to put vapor barrier back here so the water runs down the foundation wall, and we got room back here. It's also a dimple, so if we need to, we can take water above where the dimple is, and the hydroway is installed either this direction or this direction, depending on how the slab is laid out. That way, all that water can get to the hydroway. Plus, the other thing about the hydroway versus this product, there's only one place for the water to enter. The hydroway, the water can enter 360. Okay, it doesn't matter what side the water comes in. We're taking that water in all directions. So those are some of the different ways about the hydroway with our concrete form versus our competitors and their concrete form. Hopefully that will help educate you on deciding to use Basement Waterproofing Ninja versus the less expensive option out there. My name is Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, Basement Waterproofing Ninja. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.